Today's going to be some workouts that you can do at home without any equipment, and you can just improvise. I'm using a bench. You can use a couch. I'm using dumbbells. You can use water bottles or no weights at all. So first, we're going to start off with one of my favorite exercises. Let me go back. I don't know any of the names of these workouts. I don't know any of the names. I just know what's the benefit. So just do what I do. And everything that I'm doing is going to be 3 sets of 15. So I'm doing arm raises. That's what we're going to call this, arm raises. And everything that you do, you want to move slowly. When you're working out, everything has to be slow. And this is just another angle. We're going to do some, I guess this is mountain climbers. I don't know. It sounds like that's appropriate name. And like I said, you see, I am doing it slowly. Now, another exercise is going to be perfect for the back of the arms. And I already know I need to build my upper body strength. I say this literally every vlog that I do. So make sure you lean forward and then you just extend out. That's it. Lean forward, extend out, and move slowly. And this is actually a struggle because the weights are heavy for me. Yes, I know it's about only 12 pounds, but it is heavy. I need to build my upper body strength. I say it in every video, literally every video. Now I'm just going to lay down and we're going to do some more arm raises. I know you can do this on a couch. I know this is supposed to be an at-home workout. You can do this on the floor or on a mat or on a towel. Just make sure there's a gap in between your back and the surface. Now we do some more arm exercises. I'm using a kettlebell. Like I said, if you don't have a kettlebell or dumbbell, just improvise or use no weights. No weights is always good as well. We're about to go back into some more arm raises, but this is a different variation of it. And what I mean, your arms will be on fire when you're done. And that's what you want. That is what you want. And make sure you're moving slow, like I've always been saying. And it's going to be 3 sets of 15 as well. And now we do some servant plates. That's what I'm going to call it. I feel like it sounds like appropriate servant plates. But make sure you extend your fingers as well. You see, it's burning already. Yeah, I love these exercises, though. These are actually my favorite exercises. And if you do try these at home, let me know, leave a comment. I would love to know how it's going. And this is another good exercise, but if you don't have a bench, you can also do this standing up. It's gorilla pull-ups or whatever. It's gorilla something. And I'm actually moving too fast. You have to go slow. Like I said, move slow, but these exercises are strenuous, but that's what I need. I need to build my upper body strength. I already know. And now we're going to go back to laying down on the bench, and we're going to do some more of these exercises, and then we're going to do some crunches. Now, that is it on this short tutorial on at-home workouts. Yeah, I go straight to the point with these videos, and mind you, the full vlog is on YouTube. Now, you have to say this. With anything that you do, you have to be consistent. So if you're trying to lose weight or maintain your weight, you just have to be consistent and also eat healthy and be in a calorie deficit.